my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2010 Mercedes E350 4Matic. The 4Matic is all-wheel drive. This is a 3.5 liter V6. This has the AMG Sport Package, gives you the more aggressive body styling. 18-inch wheels, sport wheels. The suspension set up a little different. It has the drilled front rotors as well. Here's a look at the inside. It has power moonroof. Has speed-sensitive steering and paddle shifters if you want to shift it manually. 3-position memory on both front seats. They are both heated as well. Automatic climate control. Rain sensing wipers. Here's a look at the inside. The dashboard. There's the command screen. There's the navigation. This has a backup camera. There you go. It's premium sound system. It's a Harman Kardon. And you also have Bluetooth. Here's a look at the climate control, automatic climate control with separate temperature controls for each side. Look at the back seat. Lots of room. The Sport Package, you also get different exhaust. The body is in beautiful condition, virtually flawless. Beautiful styling with the AMG Sport Package. Great car, low miles, drives excellent. Great value for the money. Thank you for looking in. Give us a call. We'd love to set up a time to show you this vehicle.